So this is tire number 2. I did the first one in a separate video because my camera fell down. So here I think I have 3 slips in here, and I have some Vardaman. Here we go. Yeah, this is Vardaman. Oh well. Yeah, this is what happened last year. This one is rotted. Yeah. Bummer. This one is totally rotted out. Eaten out. That's not good. Anyway, they got their lot. I guess this is my portion. And this one. I've learned that Vardaman really is not more than 90 days really. Yeah, 90 days and no more. So we have some red potatoes here, which I think is Georgia Jets. This is one of those leftover. You have some slips left over and you just stick it in somewhere. This is what I did with this one. With this tire. Let's see what this is. So here we have this one. Seem to have something going on here. But a little one. And another one. Some tiny babies. These were some very inferior slips that I planted in here. Nothing much, just, you know, those little extras. Much going on here. Okay, I have one slip here. Let's see how decent this one is. If it has anything going for it. Oh man, another split Japanese. Jeez, yeah. Yeah, I am thinking that that has to do with lack of water, you know. That's what I'm thinking. Look at that. It's a decent size too. I should research that. People who know more than me. I think I'll do that. Well, looks like that is what we have. I planted these June 26. That's not bad. I thought I planted them in May. So it's the last ones. Yep. Well, that's it. Okay. So, from this tire, we got only a few stragglers and one rotted one. Won't even show that one. That's fine. This is all we got from this tire. Not bad considering I've got 3 nice little potatoes to eat, and this one is edible. So is this one. You know, when these are cured. So this is good. Not bad. But from the first tire, which is in the other video, I got these. Nice Japanese. And this big lovely stalks. give you another show. Huh. Yep, not bad from 2 tires. That's all. It's good. Really good. And this bad apple. One bad apple don't spoil the whole show. Whatever. Doesn't spoil the show. I'm still enjoying this harvest. And I do appreciate, oh, this is the lovely one. Oh, I'm going to enjoy this one. I can eat this one today. Because with Japanese, you don't have to really, unless you're saving them for later on, you don't have to cure them for them to be good. So, maybe today, maybe tomorrow, maybe Sunday. Anyway, thank you so much for watching my videos. I appreciate you liking them and subscribing. And as usual, and I mean it from my heart, I pray you have a good harvest if you harvest videos, if you plant anything in the ground, right? And also that you know, just I pray you enjoy this video. Anyway, have a great day. God bless you, man. Bye. And woman. Bye.